Diane. Hi, Ken.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm super excited about learning about your own home here at 251 Northwest Connell. And I understand you bought it, what, 4 years ago?
Yeah, 4 years ago, my girlfriend and I were driving by. I was looking for a little house, and we drove by here, and I saw this cute little. It was yellow, and it was so cute looking. And I noticed the bay window. I like that. That's what stood out so much.
You knew right away
Yes,
that you wanted that.
cottage.
So here's this amazing house and a cottage.
Yes.
Oh, wow, that is so cool. Well, I understand the house is about 1,000 square feet and the cottage is about 500.
Yep.
So in the house is 2 bedroom, 1 bath.
Right.
In the cottage, 1 bedroom, 1 bath.
Right.
Well, let's take a tour of your place. I know when you first met me that you told me how much you love HGTV, that you watch that all the time. So when you saw this place, it looked like a blank slate where you could use some of the ideas you were seeing. What have you been able to do on the cottage, Diane?
On this house?
On this house and the cottage, yeah.
Well, the shutters, we put the shutters in.
Yeah, you told me these plantation shutters were $3,000. They're gorgeous quality.
Yes, this is our favorite spot right here in the bay window. We'll sit here and play cards, or have coffee or something.
Yeah,
it's so inviting right here. It's our favorite little place.
Yeah, and you really went all out doing the stamped concrete driveway and patio. There's a lot of parking. What else have you done? You did the driveway, the shutters. What else have you done on the house? The
siding on the house.
Brand new siding?
Brand new siding.
Oh, it's gorgeous.
On both the cottage and this house. And there's new flooring in the kitchen, and the bathroom's been remodeled, and we've done quite a bit of work to it.
And new roof, didn't you say?
It was a new roof when he
So 6 years old roof. And the heating, what about
heating, we have a mini split.
And that's been in the last 4 years?
Yeah. Yes.
Oh, neat. Well, what do you like best about living here?
My bedroom. I love my bedroom. The high ceilings and the windows. In the afternoon, it's so bright and sunny in there. I just go in there, and just relax and enjoy the sunshine. Look out in the backyard.
And you can even step in the backyard because you have the door right there.
I love the patio door. I like there.
And your kitchen, too, it has the soaring ceilings. It's just very uplifting.
Yes, and I like the cabinets. They're solid oak, and they're low. They're not up high where a lot of cabinets are, where you can't reach them. They're low.
Neat. Well, I love this property, and I am excited to see the cottage. Is that something that you'd like to show me now?
I would.
Okay, great.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. So when you bought this place 4 years ago, I understand this was just mud back here. Now what have you done? What is this amazing place?
We put this shed first. It's a tough shed. Actually, it could be like a little office.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Yeah, it's big enough in there. It's I think it's like a 12 by 14 shed, and it could be like a little office. And then I put that shed over there, and we put the fence up. Oh,
yeah.
And then I graveled this, and
wow, you've really transformed it.
It's free.
Yeah, you've transformed it. And then this is the cottage over here?
Yes.
Great. Well, let's take a look at the cottage, because you had this rented out until May, right?
Right.
How much did it rent for?
$14.60.
Oh, great. Okay. Yes. Well, a lot of people will either want a friend or relative to live here or rent it out.
Yeah.
Some great options.
They can do that.
Okay. Let's take a quick look. So, Diane, when somebody lives in or rents the cottage, what's included?
It has this area, 1 bedroom, 1 bath.
I noticed the laundry. It has washer and dryer.
Its own washer and dryer. Its own concreted driveway.
Oh, private concrete driveway. Okay, right out here.
Yes, it's totally fenced. There's a little garden area. It's nice and sunny here.
Wow, what a cute yard. I can get a glimpse of it out.
Yeah.
From the kitchen window here. Wow, this seems really comfortable, and what a benefit to the homeowners that they can do whatever they want. Use this for a teenager or a parent or a friend or Airbnb or rent it out.
Or a business.
A business. That's a great idea.
Yeah. Got a lot of possibilities.
Sure does. Well, thank you for the tour.
You're welcome.
And if you ever want to go to the farmer's market, that's just a few blocks away. And the Max is walking distance.
Right around the corner.
And this cute little Hillsboro downtown you can walk to too. Wow. There's a lot to do here.
Starbucks down there.
My gosh, it's a wonderful, safe, active community.
Yes.
Well, thank you for sharing that with me, and
you're welcome.
Yeah, it'll be fun to see who ends up being the next stewards of this place.
Oh, well, they will love it. It's sunny here.
Neat.
Yes, it's just so bright and sunny in the morning, and it gets the sun all day long, and it's just a cheerful little house.
Great. Well, thank you for
much potential, especially the backyard with the sheds and the cottages. There's so much potential here.
Yeah, you've done a lot, and there's so much someone else could do.
Oh, yes.
Yes. Well, thank you for the tour today, and I'll see you next time.
Okay.